Toyota developed an easy-to-use dash camera that records your driving experience as well as any incidents that may occur on the road. In certain situations, the Toyota dash camera will provide feedback to the driver by emitting sounds and lights as part of its normal operation. This video will help describe the different sounds and light patterns that may be experienced when using the Toyota dash camera. To begin, when the ignition is turned on, a green light will start blinking, then stay lit, and a short, high-toned beep will be heard. When the ignition is shut off, the green light on the camera will turn off as well. The same short, high-toned beep will also be heard when the event protection function has been manually enabled by pressing the action button. The event protection function will save the 12 seconds of footage recorded prior to the action button being pressed and will also save the next 8 seconds after the button is pressed. When the adventure mode setting is enabled or disabled by holding the action button for more than 1 second, you will hear 3 short beeps. A green LED will also blink in 1.75 second intervals when adventure mode is enabled. When starting the vehicle, you may also hear 6 continuous long, high-tone beeps play twice when the ignition is turned on. If this occurs, it means that the parking surveillance system has detected a shock while the vehicle was parked and helps notify the driver to review the footage when safe to do so. If a shock is detected when driving, the dash camera will emit 2 short beeps to notify the driver that the incident was recorded. If you are retrieving footage from the dash camera and it is communicating with a smartphone by Wi-Fi connection, both the amber and green LED will be seen blinking. There are other situations where the dash camera will provide feedback to the driver that may indicate an issue with the microSD card or dash camera. First, if a microSD card is not inserted, continuous long high-tone beeps will be emitted, and the amber LED will blink quickly. Next, if an incorrectly formatted microSD card is inserted or there's an issue with the dash camera, alternating long high-tone beeps and long low-tone beeps will be emitted, and the amber LED will stay lit. Lastly, if the dash camera was installed, but the calibration was not conducted, continuous long high-tone beeps will be heard and the amber LED will remain lit and the green LED may remain solid or blink slowly. The dash camera sensor sensitivity, alerts, and notifications can be adjusted in the settings menu. The settings menu is available through the Dashcam app or via the viewer software. Thank you for watching this Know Your Toyota video.